Hi everyone. We Lika Shri and Nancy Divya have created a project on address book management using Java. In this video we are going to see about address book maintenance using Java and MySql. Here I have created 5 Java files. And I have integrated all these files in single Java file named project. When we start to run the program, a login page will display with username and password. Once you entered the username and password, click on Login button, which will lead to address records containing add address and view address record. When you click on add address button, various fields like name, phone, street, locality, district, state, country will display and the user will enter corresponding inputs. Next, press Save button. Then to view the values entered in database, click View Address button, then the SQL table will display. So this is MySql workbench where the datas are stored. Let me run this so that we can verify whether the data entered in add address are stored in this database. And yes, the values are stored. This can be achieved by connecting Java with MySql. Thank you.